What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Let Me Down by Oliver Tree. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's just got a few different chords that pretty much just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, or I will write a little tab for the little lead part that they play. That will be in the guitar description as well, so if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They'll be there for you. The chords that you'll need to know for this song are going to be B minor, which is 0, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. Bar the 2nd fret with your index finger starting on the A string, ring finger 4th fret D string, pinky finger 4th fret G string, middle finger 3rd fret B string. Then jump down to a D major bar chord. It's going to be 0, 5, 7, 7, 7. And I'm not worrying about playing anything on the low E or the high E. It's just your A, D, G, and B string. And what you're doing is just index finger on the 5th fret of the A, and then your ring finger is going to bar the D, G, and B. Then we're going to go F sharp major, which is 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. Bar the entire 2nd fret with your index finger. Ring finger 4th fret A string, pinky finger 4th fret D string, middle finger 3rd fret on your G string. And then slide that entire formation down 1 for a G major bar chord. It should be 5, 3, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3. Now the beginning of the song has a chord progression that's just slightly different than the rest of the song. The beginning of the song, the intro chord progression is B minor, D, F sharp, G, in the same way that we just learned them. Plays through that twice, and then for the rest of the song, the entire rest of the song, it's D, B minor, F sharp, G. The strumming pattern, the rhythm kind of gets funky in the middle of the song, but I'm gonna show you a strumming pattern that you can play that will just fit throughout the entire song. If you want to figure out the rhythm of the rest of the parts of the song, just all you gotta do is listen to it for a little while. It's a little tricky, but that's not how I would play it on the guitar. So I'm gonna show you how I would play it with just the same strumming pattern. It's gonna be which is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So down, 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 up, 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 down. Like I said, that's the intro and the chord progression after the intro for the rest of the song. Strumming pattern's the same for both of those pretty much, or that's the strumming pattern you can play. I will show you the little lead part that happens throughout the song a couple different times. It starts 7th fret on the B string, 3, 2, and then 4 on the G string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those are just down, up, down, up, down, up picks. have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.